When you're looking at siding options for your Castle Rock, Colorado home, James Hardie vertical siding stands apart from everything else on the market. Here's why smart homeowners choose James Hardie. First, it's engineered specifically for Colorado's extreme weather. While vinyl warps and wood rots, James Hardie's fiber cement construction handles our temperature swings, intense UV, hail, and moisture without breaking down. The vertical installation creates clean, modern lines that makes your home look taller and more substantial. It works beautifully with any architectural style, from traditional ranch homes to contemporary designs. But here's what really matters. James Hardie comes with industry-leading warranties that protect both materials and labor for decades. That's because manufacturers trust trained professionals to install their products correctly. At Peakview Windows, we've spent over 30 years perfecting our installation process. We're veteran-owned, family-operated, and we understand what siding solutions Douglas County homes need to perform their best. Professional installation isn't just about making it look good. The critical work happens behind your siding, where proper flashing and moisture barriers determine whether your investment protects your home or causes expensive problems. James Hardie vertical siding typically pays for itself through reduced maintenance, improved energy efficiency, and increased property values. Many of our customers tell us their siding still looks brand new after 15 to 20 years. So reach out to us today to get started. With Peakview Windows, you'll get a great experience and amazing James Hardie siding results in Castle Rock, Colorado.